And in this video, I'm going to show you how the clamshell will automatically drop into specific position and how you can adjust accordingly because you have different size of the clamshell. The first part will be this four wheel height of the clamshell, and for this four wheel 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll adjust the length of the clamshell. So you can adjust the length and width and height of the clamshell by this 8 wheel. And you can also see their small design here is for fixed the clamshell into specific position. This part, this part, this part, and it will fix the clamshell in specific position. And the last part will be the arm. It actually suck the clamshell into specific position. Use the vacuum sucking, so we can actually adjust this arm position high and low, and also we can adjust the small arm position. It actually depends on the clamshell design, how the clamshell pattern is, so we can adjust the height of this 4 small arm and this arm, so it can make sure the clamshell will automatically drop into specific position. You can adjust accordingly to different size of the clamshell.